So this is a little preview of where the magic happens. This is my trading desk, all driven now by the new M1 Max MacBook Pro. This is the main screen, Samsung 49-inch curved gaming monitor. I use it to look at the main charts. This is divided into 5 charts because it shows me a weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1 hour, and 15-minute preview of a particular instrument. And then I have two 30-inch Dell monitors on the side, which have lots of charts, so I can spot something that is starting to move quickly in its infancy and jump on the opportunity. All of this is on the height adjustable desk, so sometimes I prefer to stand, sometimes I prefer to sit. Pretty cool. Hope you enjoy this.